guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on this look here. It's bright and colorful. I was inspired by a young lady that I stalk on Instagram. I love all of her looks. They're pretty bomb. I will link her Instagram down below because I don't know her handle name off the top of my head, but you guys should definitely check her out because she lit. She real lit. But this is the look that I created. I kept seeing it all on my feed. It just kept popping up, so I'm just like, okay, just recreate that look, baby. Just do it. So this is it, and I used two palettes to create this look. I used the Morphe palette, the JaclynHill, what is it, the Morphe times JaclynHill palette, the original one. I used one shadow from here, and the rest of the shadows are from the Masquerade palette from Juvias Place. I love Juvias Place. Their palettes are bomb. The pigmentation is amazing. But I used those two palettes to create this look, and if you guys want to see how I got this look, then continue watching. Also, if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. I mean, you might as well. You probably want to watch some new people. Let me be that new person for you. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Now let's go ahead and get into this look. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one.